Good afternoon. Today I am going to present one interesting topic. My topic is religion versus nationalism in Tagore, Tagore and Home and the World novel. So both novel is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So here I am sharing my screen. My screen is visible. So, first of all, I am given author's introduction. Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali poet, short story writer, song composer, playwright, essayist, and painter, who introduced a new prose and verse from and the use of colloquial language, the Bengali literature. They be freeing it from traditional models based on classical Sanskrit. He was highly influenced in introducing Indian culture to the West, vice versa. Uh, and he generally regarded as the outstanding creative artist of early 20th century in India. In 1930, he became the first non-European to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature. So here is some famous poetry of Rabindranath Tagore. And you can see the Tagore's measures novels, Gora, Gharbar, translated in English, The Home and the World, and Kabuliwala. And here you can see the some major dramas of Tagore's. So Gora is a novel by Rabindranath Tagore set in Calcutta in the 1880 during the British Raj. So it is the fifth in order of writing and the longest of Tagore's 12 novels. It is rich in philosophical debates on politics and religion. So other themes including liberation, universalism, brotherhood, gender, feminism, caste, class, tradition versus modernity, urban elite versus rural peasant. So colonial rule, nationalism, and the Brahmo Samaj. So you can measure theme of the novel, politic and religions, liberation, universalism, brotherhood, gender, feminism, caste and class, and traditional versus modernity, urban elite versus rural peasant, and colonial rule, nationalism, and the Brahmo Samaj. So the another novel is The Home and the World. So the Home and the World is the original novel of Bengali, and Bengali title is Ghar Baat, and and another name is At Home and Outside. So this novel is written in 1960, and the book illustrates the battle Tagore and himself between the idea of on Western culture and a revolution against the Western culture. So these two ideas are portrayed in two in the main character. One is Nikhilesh and another one is Sandeep. So Nikhilesh, who is a rational and oppose violence, and Sandeep, who will let nothing stand in his way from raising his goal. These two opposing ideals are very important in understanding the history of the Bengal, religion and contemporary problem. So here you can see the home and the world novel themes, nationalism, tradition, versus modernism, Sandeep and Nikhil, illusion of this novel, truth, love and union, the role of woman, religion versus nationalism. So, first of all, I am given the Home and the World novel of what is the thing of religion versus nationalism. So, one major thing is the novel in the importance of religions, and on the other hand, the nationalism. In this novel, religions can be seen as the more spiritual view, while nationalism can be seen more as the world, worldly view. Nikhil's main perspective in life is by the moral and intelligible, while Sandeep is a more consumed about me, tangible things. So, which to him is a reality. Sandeep believes that this outlook on life, living in a way where one may follow his or her passion and seek immediate gratification. So, is what gives strength and portrays reality, which is linked to the strong nationalism. From Sandeep's point of view, when reality has to meet the unreal, deception is it is principal weapon. So for it is an enemies always try to stamp reality by calling to gross, and so it is need must hide itself or else put on something disguise. So to Sandeep, reality consists of being gross, true, and flesh, patience, hunger, and unhusband, unshaped and cruel. So on the other, Nikhil's view is a more consumed with controlling one's passion and living life in a moral way. He believes that is a part or human nature to try and rise superior itself rather than living recklessly by acting on unstinct fleshly desire. So Nikhils argued that a person must learn to control their passion and recognize the truth to restrain, and that by pressing what we want to right into our eyes where only injure them. So we do not see all these moral perspective tie in with his faith. Nikhil also speak from a more religion perspective when he speak for how all at once my heart was full with the thought that my internal love was steadfastly waiting for me through the argue behind the well of material things. So this saw this Nikhils does not live morally just for the sake of trying to be good, but that is grounded in his uh, religion's view. Sandeep retimates the fact that it is their country. So they have both religions and also our nationalism, and that the result is the both of them suffer. So here I am giving another novel's theme: religions and nationalism. How to represent Tagore in this novel. So in the novel there are a Hindu, Muslim, Hindu, Christian, and Muslim Christian conflict. So Christians in the novel have two faces. They are not only Christian, but they are also the English colonized. The setting of the novel point the descriptive time when the Bengali society in Kolkata was mainly divided into the traditional Orthodox Hindu and the modernized. So liberally thinks Brahmo instructed by the Brahmo Samaj. The Brahmos criticized the Hindu orthodoxy, so idol worship, caste system, so many present in this novel. On the other hand, the Hindus denounce the Christian ways of the Samaj. So about the inter community of the Brahmo Samaj and Hinduism. Ravindranath said, "I was born in a Hindu family, but accepted Brahmo religion. So the religion we accepted is universal in nature. However, it is basically the religions of the Hindu. So we accepted these universal religions with the heart of Hinduism. So in Gora, the idea of nation and nationalism, so swayed between the two part Hinduism and Brahmo Samaj in the colonial setting. So colonialism and nationalism are the two important aspects of the novel. All the character except a few who are the follower of Brahmo Samaj have the feeling of antagonism toward the British rulers. So only people like Pune Babu and Baroda Sundari are very found in the English way of living and consider the British rule as a blessing of God. So, on the other hand, some people like Mohim and Krishna Dayal show a lot of respect to the English official because of pretty selfish reason. So simultaneously, one cannot deny that the novelist has also covered shooting Nike for the liberation attitude of the Western mind. So the characters of Porus Babu and Anand Moi give a testimony to it. So in general, Gurudev has portrayed the anti-British nation in Bengal under the valley of Hinduism. So he showed that the Muslims also had to British ruler. So both novels are a representation religion things and national things. And Tagore mentioned the world at the time three religions things: Hindu, Muslim, and Christian. And also British and Indian both things are represented in this both novel. So here is my citation. Thank you.